In today's video, we will be looking at some of the laziest and effort-free ways that you can make money online while sitting at home. The world is filled with ways to make money, but the thing is, a lot of them involve tons of work. But thanks to the internet and, of course, the recent AI boom, there are many new ways for you to make money while barely doing any work at all. Trust me, it is wild how easy it is. Be sure to stick around till the end because the last method is really easy to do. So without any further delay, let's dive right in. Proofreading has always been a huge market, and with AI by your side, you too can tap into it. For this method, you are going to go to guru.com and post your proofreading services on the websites. Be sure to make your post as attractive to customers as possible. When you get a client, take the text they provide you for proofreading and go over to ChatGPT. Paste the text in the AI and ask ChatGPT to proofread it all for you. The AI will spit out a proofread version of the text, which you can forward to the client. You just got paid for copy-pasting some text. For the next method, I am going to show you how you can get paid to transcribe stuff using AI. First, go to a website like rev.com where you can get a transcription job. Scroll down on the main page to the very bottom and click on freelancers in the company section. A new page will open where you can apply for a transcribing job. If the website says that they are not accepting applicants from your location right now, don't worry. Just use a VPN and try different locations until you get a hit. Once you have a transcription job, I want you to go to rhythmex.com. This is an AI tool that lets you transcribe audio files automatically. Upload the audio file the client gave you to this website, and once it is transcribed, send the text file over to the client to get paid. With the power of AI, you can now make online content without having to do anything. Let me show you how. For this method, you need InVideo.ai. This AI tool lets you make a video on any topic that you want, complete with footage and voiceover. All you have to do is provide a topic. Let's make a video on interesting facts about Mars. Now click the Generate a Video button and select the kind of video you want. I'll make this one a YouTube short so I can upload it to platforms such as Facebook and TikTok aside from YouTube. Once again, copy and paste the topic of the video. You can change the rest of the settings as you want, but I am going to leave them at default. And there, the AI has started making the video. You can post these fully done videos and generate revenue from ads and sponsors as your channel grows. Keeping in line with YouTube content creation, I have another lazy money-making method for you. Short-form content paired with affiliate marketing. This method requires you to once again make YouTube Shorts using InVideo.ai, just as I showed you earlier. Then, join an affiliate program you like. There are many affiliate programs you can join. Some of the best ones are the Amazon Associates program, eBay Partner Network, and Rakuten Advertising. Once you have your affiliate link, paste it into your channel bios. People can now click on it and you will make a profit from their purchase. You can encourage the viewers to check out the link in your bios by making a call to action in your videos. You can do the same on other platforms as well, such as TikTok and Facebook. Dropshipping has always been a go-to for those of us who want to make money lazily, and eBay is the perfect platform for this. All you gotta do is find a good product. Once you have decided what product you want to sell, look for an item that is selling for just a little bit lower than what its competitors are selling for. If you find one, make your own ad for the same thing. You can copy and paste the product description from the original ad, but try to add some more value to it, like better specs or pictures. Put the price point higher than the original seller's price. Now, if a customer buys the product from you, you are going to go back to the original seller and place the order to buy the item, but you will give the email address of your customer when making the purchase. The original seller will take it from there and ship the item. All is done, and you can pocket the difference without having to do anything. Drop servicing is similar to drop shipping, but we are reselling services, not products. Go to Fiverr or Upwork and look up a service. I am going to search for video editing. Now, look through the top-rated sellers and find one that is selling their services for less than the others. Make sure the seller has good reviews and stats. You will then make your own services post in the same category and copy and paste the description of your chosen seller into your post under your name. Once again, mark up your price so it is closer to the price point of the competitors. When a client hires you for your services, just place an order with the original seller. The original seller will complete the order, and you can send over the finished product to the client while pocketing the difference. People make bank editing podcasts. You can do the same by making your own post on, say, Fiverr or Upwork. Once you have a client, take the raw podcast file and upload it to cleanvoice.ai. This tool will use AI technology to edit the podcast for you. Once done, deliver the finished product and get paid for it. It's as simple as that. The same can be done with websites. Create a gig on Fiverr or Upwork for website creation. When a client hires you, you are going to ask them their requirements. Then you will go to 10web.io and use this tool to make a website according to the client's requirement. 10web will ask you some simple questions about the kind of website you want. Answer those, and a brand new website will be made for you. You can deliver it to the client for money. Websites sell for a lot. We are talking hundreds to thousands of dollars. So enjoy getting paid for making websites lazily using AI. Now, this is a cool one. Webble is a stock trading platform that is pretty new to the market. But to solidify itself among the competitors, Webble is offering a lucrative offer. All you have to do is sign up for the app, and you will get 6 free stocks once you make a deposit. Although this money-making method is a one-time thing, it is still worth a try if you want free stocks for no effort at all. That is it for this video. If you want me to make a full-length video on any of these lazy money-making methods, be sure to drop a comment telling me that. Also, be sure to like to show your support and subscribe if you want to see more content like this in the future. See you in the next video. Goodbye.